guys, welcome back to my channel everybody. It is just Kim. It really is just me today, Keisha. And make sure you subscribe and like before you see this video. Let's see if you can do it in 20 seconds. That's my first one. 10, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Comment down below if you did it. You say hashtag did it. Okay, I am going to be showing you 4 different slime that I made myself, which I make all my slimes, but like one over borax, one that stretches, one butter slime that's really stretchy, one clear slime that's really stretchy. Okay, let's go. I'm going to do this clear overboard borax slime. As you can see, it's all mushy. That's so satisfying. That's just so satisfying, guys. I can't really see it, but there you go. You can see it. It's like little squishy balls. So it's just like. Watch, hear this though. Did you hear that, like, squish? That's stuck. I have been trying to get my channel back to normal because my channel had 400, no, not 400, like 12 subscribers. It was like 50 subscribers, and now I have like 4 subscribers. I must be joking. Because I started my channel again and I posted a couple of videos. Then I'm going to my little slime, but that's not that. I made this one. I put like this. I added this scent to it, a banana scent to it. Give my friend one in school. Like bananas and it farts. How it told me. It makes it a lot more better. There you go. Sorry, guys. That was not me who would do that to you, though. So it's really stretchy, but then when you stretch it correctly, it really isn't stretchy, and it takes a while to get it together. You just have to. And I like my slime's a bit sticky, which my butter slime was, but then it went almost that I added more ring into it. I have a cold. Sorry, guys. Summer holidays. Why do I say summer holidays? We have a week off basically, and then we have 5 more weeks in school, which I probably will post maybe a couple of days. I normally don't post on weekends because I'm with my dad's, and I can't post on my dad's because I don't have my phone. I have my iPad, but I'd have to make a new other account. I can't be bothered doing that if I'm morning filming. Weekends only. And it broke. Oh well. I like this one because it's like a squishing brains. It's one of my face ones. It's banana colour because I added like brown and yellow to it. I'm glad the brown didn't take over the yellow. That's what I was thinking that's going to happen. It would make like a caramel colour, and then I'd have to put caramel scent in it. And I'd have to call it caramel bar. Or I could have, if it worked, I could call it banana smoothie. Which it did work, so that's a lot of people, how some people spoke like that. Comment down below what video you want next. One pet peeve, which I have good pet peeve. Funny. My cousin does this, and she's 7, and she's obsessed with slime, and she goes. And this is how it goes. Yeah. So, I'll be back in a second because I'm not going to blow my nose. So I'm just going to be back in 3, 2, 1. Peep. Sorry for that wait. We don't even have like 12 hours, like bedtime. Everyone. I love my feet. Sorry, I'm really clumsy. It's after school, we've been swimming and stuff, so this video, I'll get shower something. Thing is, I'm gonna do my butter. My butter. I plan to do my butter, but and then it's like, and there's 40 aliens. And I'm going to show you something gross. It's on one of them. It's like disgusting. So it's a clear slime, but not anymore. It's dirty. I call it Dirty Ocean. And it's really pokey. Here, it's satisfying. And then we're going to do some ASMR. And I do some makeovers of this as well. And how I make my butter slimes, I do make some of them like normal. But there's another way how to make butter slime that nobody has ever done. And me, I'll be honest with you. And I don't know why it's just been me alone. But like, I'll tell you. Basically, you add water and flour and it'll just be like Play-Doh. And then you just add like lotion, hand soap and stuff like that. And yeah, and it makes this. And I will make a video one day of how to make. It might not be until a while, but if you want to see that, I can show you. And then you just add water every time it goes hard. And if you can tell, it's really like not the. It's really buttery though. Oh my god. Yeah, spreads. It spreads if you want to show you. If I show you. Would like my camera won't focus on it properly. Thank you. Like ready? Ready? 4. Ready? Done. He wants ASMR right now. Let's go there. So guess what we're gonna do? Some ASMR. So that will be not the end, but yeah, that is the wallpaper. It's very, very nice. That's why I keep most of my things. So, look at it, guys. I don't know if you got the proper view, but here is the proper view. So, it's starting. I keep it in this bag. Don't know why. But I do keep it in this bag. And yeah, that's all. So see you later, guys. Bye.